Hello and a very warm welcome to all of my viewers today. This is a very good news, which I want to share with all of you. I hope you have know that the Saskatchewan recently held a draw on May 25th, 2021, and this draw is a ray of hope for Federal Skills Worker Program candidates. So, what is the good news and what why it is something positive for the Federal Skills Worker Program for Federal Express Entry System? Let's see. So today we will discuss the highlights of the latest SINP draw, which was held on May 25th, 2021. This is a record-breaking low score after April 17th, 2019. Yes, exactly after 2 years, the score reached so low. So what do you know? What do you need to know about SINP as being a Federal Skills Worker Program candidate? You need to know some characteristics of SINP, which I'll discuss it, and how we say that SINP is a ray of hope for Federal Skills Worker Program. So this is the very important thing. But first and foremost, the highlights of the latest draw. It is a minimum score for candidates invited is 65. Yes, 65. And this is the lowest score after April 17th. The lowest score on April 17th was 60. So after 2 years, Saskatchewan has invited that lowest score. The category selected was occupation in demand only. Yes, there is no express entry draw in this. So what is important that occupation in demand, all of you need to know what is it and how to apply on it. So we'll discuss it afterwards. And the gap in days from the previous draw is 19. Usually what happened, the Saskatchewan made the draw approximately between 14 to 15 days. But this draw took 19 days. The score remains very low. But one thing you need to just consider that the number of occupations selected are only 36. And most importantly, special emphasis was to the construction related job. We will discuss it in the next slide. And if well, you can see, I just made a comprehensive and brief analysis or the past draws of Saskatchewan, and you can see all the draws happened in the year 2021 are here, and you can see the lowest score ranking candidate, number of express entry or occupation in demand candidates invited, and this thing that targeted occupation, this is very important, and the last column, the number of NOC invited. So let's say that on 25th of May 65 was the lowest score, but express entry candidates are not invited. Express entry means the express entry system that is allowed access to Saskatchewan and input their express entry details in SINP. So this draw is not considered express entry. Only occupation in demand has been considered, and you can see there are 36 number of occupation. And if you see these occupations a bit carefully, you see that these all relates to construction business, construction contraction and everything. These 07 0711 0712 0714 0731, these are managerial level jobs. As you know that 07 is the skill level A. But from the 36, only 1, 2, 3, 4 are managerial level job. And after that, 32 jobs related to the workers category. You can see, you can take this snapshot and you can see that these category, what they mean. But another important thing is that you don't need to get disheartened by looking at the column that this 36 are the number of occupations, and the occupation selected are only designated to a specific quantity. Just go through this. That is the reason why I made this table. Saskatchewan has a very good record of being updated their occupation in demand. It is not fixed, so jobs keeps coming and going. I have very detailed videos for that, which you will be having soon. But for now, this slide will show you that if you have in Federal Express Entry Pool, you can see that these number of occupation, and these are only for the year 2021. So 79, 79, 89. So you can see the larger number of draws are there, and imagine the 89 categories, 89 number of jobs selected, and the lowest score was 72. So it is not very hard. So you can see, you come back later and see that And just let's go to the next slide. Why I say that Federal Skills Worker Program candidates should focus Saskatchewan, because they know they don't need any job offer to apply. They do not need any job offer to sign in. And the second most important thing, no connection with the province is required. It is not mandatory that you have your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, any blood relative living in Saskatchewan to get your job, to get your PNP, as it is in the case of Alberta, it is in the case of Manitoba, that they need definitely a blood relative or any connection to the Saskatchewan, but to the provinces. But Saskatchewan, you don't need anything. And the most important thing is the point system is very easy. I mean, more points for experienced worker. If you have, for example, say 10 years of experience, you got points for your first 5 years of experience, and then you got another points for the experience more than 5 years. I have a video which I explained Saskatchewan point system, and you can have it in a while. Now, the most important thing is a variable occupation and demand list. The demand list is not fixed. It is not necessary that Saskatchewan is going after specific jobs. They are open and they are very much taking all of the jobs. You just need to be consistent, and most importantly, you have to submit your SINP application both in express entry individual and in occupation and demand category. Now, it is easy to apply in the occupation and demand category, and if you want to know how to apply it, I'll just do let me know, and I'll upload a video about it. So this is the thing and the thought of the day. Hope is being able to see that there is light despite all of the darkness. You see, there is a hope. Everything is not gone. There is still things open for you guys. So as I am saying continuously for my last 2 or 3 videos, keep your hopes alive, keep your efforts alive, and hopefully you will be having a very good outcome of this system. Just stay to it, and even then, if you try your best, and even then if it is not happened, then at least you know that you have tried. So you don't need to lose hope. Just stick to your task and hope for the best. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe and like and comment, and I'll be seeing you guys very shortly. Just stay tuned, and a very good day. Bye bye.